Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have Facebook watercolor cover. These are in 20 file PSD and for preview is JPG and with fonts. You can drag Control A and install it. So first I show you this design. You can just change background, write your own content, and here is simply just you change background. Wow. Okay, so for example I drag this file to Photoshop. So here is our photo is open, our template is open, and you see in layer area we need font, but firstly you installed all font, this Control A and install it. Okay, and here is brush blur, brush yellow. You change color and you hide it. Your image is here, picture, and delete this file and open any other file. For example, like this. These are in high definition but convert in low resolution, 800. Oh, okay, right click, create clipping mask, and now then Control S. Your image is here and write your any name. These fonts look like a signature font, but you can write, or you apply any other color. You change color, pink. Okay, Control S. Why? Oh, sorry. Double click here, click on overlay, and then click any other color, or click undo, and you see your color is here. These are RGB file and for social media. Basically Facebook is social media pack. So here is journey, mountain. You put your own image here, write your any content for shopping or travel. And open last images, for example, like this. These are travel, exploring new plans. Okay, adventure may hurt you, but so open last image like this. And simply here is your text and here is your image, and second image, new collection, and first photo. I think you change background color or apply granule overlay, but first click on unlock. You see our granule overlay is here. Wow. Okay, I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe my channel for more free data with tutorials. Take care, Allah Hafiz.